The parson was of mild ale, the squire of all the tubber, but little there goes a veil of guests which home and slobber. To drinks, my dear delight, with bun poison and good liquor, the squire is a thirsty wight, but naught can quench the vicar. So turn the Kilderkin up in winter and in summer, go cold, I suffer the cup and warm me with a rubber. May soon be merry, then follow your food. Behold the house, and daddy, for Pat McShane's the host. A right good man by nature, and true as a finger post. He points them to the creature, so much you'll never regret. Be nate, my joy, and proper, and give them a song.